Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis video brought to you by Learnity. And as usual, we are going to be looking through the dollar index. Now, what do you see on the dollar index? On the daily time frame, we are now in a bearish or in a bullish market structure. And why do I say that? Because if you look here, we were previously bearish, right? But we had a break of market structure here. That is a change of character. We had price break above this level. And now we are now in a bullish market environment. So what am I expecting? If you look closely here, your first line of defense is what? We have this other block, right? This multiple candle order block. So what I'll be expecting for the coming week is for price to retest that block before moving upwards. So we're going to be having something like this, where price retests this and moves up, right? If that is what I'm expecting, what do you think is going to happen? Where are the targets for this trade? The targets are going to be probably this high right here. We have this high as our first target. So this is also going to be this is going to be our first target for this trade, right? So with that in mind, let's move over to pound USD. Now, pound USD, you can clearly see that we are in an opposite structure to the dollar index, which is what we want to see. So the dollar index is bullish. We are going to be looking for this to be bearish, right? So what do we have here? We have a bearish market here because we just broke structure from the bullish side. Now, where are our point of interest? You can see we have this other block also, just like the dollar index. We have this other block. So we are going to be waiting for price to retest this other block. That is, we are going to be waiting for price to retest this other block before moving below. And if that is going to happen, where do you think are our targets? So our targets are number one, this low here. We have this low as our first target, right? So once price takes out this low, this is going to be our overall target for this particular trade. So what would that look like on the lower time frames and the 4-hour time frame? You can clearly see that on the 4-hour time frame, we might actually break structure. That is, you might actually go up here and break structure to retrace into this other block before creating a shift or a break of structure down to the other side. So that is my expectation. So we might actually have a retracement on the 4-hour before we have a continuation. And if that is going to be the case, that means that you need to just you can actually trade the retracement. So you can actually trade that retracement because it's going to take some time. If this is going to do a deeper retracement, it's going to take some time before we actually have the continuation movement. So guys, that will be all for this video. Remember to always practice good risk management on your account. I'll see you all in the next video.